Hello, everyone. Did you know that employment for financial accountants is expected to grow by 6% by 2033, outpacing the average for all occupations? In this video, we'll explore financial accountants' key roles and functions, including expected salaries. But first, please do me a favor, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful career content. We've also provided some free learning resources for you to download in the description below. All right, so what exactly does a financial accountant do? One common misconception about financial accountants is that they're just number crunchers who sit behind a desk all day. While it's true that they do work with numbers, their job is so much more than that. If I had to summarize in one sentence, financial accountants analyze financial data, identify trends, and offer insights that enable better business decisions. Let's start with the basics. Financial accountants manage financial records, meticulously tracking every monetary transaction within a business to ensure accurate recording and statement preparation. These reports are crucial, not just ceremonial. They give business leaders an instant overview of the company's financial health, profits, losses, and liquidity. Financial accountants play a key role in addressing these questions. Another misconception is that financial accountants only focus on preparing tax returns. While tax preparation is undoubtedly part of their job, it's just a small piece of the puzzle. Financial accountants ensure that a company complies with tax laws. Plus, they look for ways to legally minimize the company's tax burden. Compliance is vital because tax or financial reporting errors can lead to severe penalties, including fines, audits, and legal troubles, making accuracy essential. Financial accountants also play a pivotal role in budgeting and forecasting. They aid businesses in planning their futures by setting financial targets and predicting outcomes based on historical data, which is essential for informed decision-making. Contrary to the stereotype that financial accountants are dull and uncreative, they are actually innovative problem solvers. Using their analytical skills, they identify improvement opportunities and develop solutions to enhance processes, cut costs, and boost efficiency. All right, now let's talk about something you're probably curious about: salary. Financial accountants can expect a broad salary range influenced by several factors. The average base pay typically falls between $47,000 and $114,000 per year, with the median around $73,000. Your exact salary, however, will depend on your experience level, location, and the industry. With more experience and additional certifications, you can aim for the higher end of that scale, making this a lucrative career path with plenty of growth potential. Now that we've explored the role and earnings of a financial accountant, you might be wondering how to become one. Firstly, education is crucial. Most financial accountants hold a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or a related discipline. While you don't have to be a mathematical genius, a strong foundation in mathematics, business, and economics is essential. Some may even pursue a master's degree in accounting or a Master of Business Administration, MBA, opening doors to more advanced positions and higher pay. Next, let's talk about certifications. Certifications can significantly enhance your career prospects and earning potential, even if they're not always required. The Certified Public Accountant, or CPA designation, is the most recognized certification for financial accountants. This certification is the gold standard for accountants worldwide, especially in the U.S., designed for professionals to showcase their proficiency in auditing, business consulting, tax preparation, and financial planning. It's crucial, however, to acknowledge the CPA's challenges. The rigorous exam requires substantial time and study, and maintaining the certification demands ongoing professional education. Additionally, the CPA requires a bachelor's degree and, in most U.S. states, 150 credit hours, equivalent to a master's degree in many places. You'll also need state-specific professional accounting experience, making the accreditation process lengthy. Another valuable certification is the Certified Management Accountant, or CMA. The CMA is especially beneficial if you're interested in management accounting or wish to enhance your financial analysis, budgeting, and strategic management skills. Like the CPA, obtaining the CMA involves passing a rigorous exam and fulfilling experience requirements. Experience is vital, serving two key purposes. It meets the common job criteria requesting up to 3 years of experience, and it fulfills the CPA exam's experience requirement, essential for aspiring certified public accountants. Most financial accountants start in entry-level positions, such as junior accountants or accounting assistants, gaining hands-on experience in financial reporting, tax preparation, and auditing. As you gain experience, you can progress to senior roles with increased responsibility. Lastly, continuing education is essential. The financial industry continuously evolves with emerging regulations, technologies, and best practices. Keep ahead by staying updated through workshops, seminars, and courses. All right, so being a financial accountant involves more than just crunching numbers. It's about making strategic decisions that shape a business's future. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. And if you wish to get job ready for a successful career in finance, don't miss the opportunity to subscribe to the 365 Financial Analyst platform. Stay tuned.